Hello and welcome back. Today we have a new project. I'll show you some great stuff you can use in order to make your page stunning. So source code in the description. You can download it now and follow with me. So we have here three stuff. Fixed NavBar, and when you resize the page you can see here an icon, and when we scroll down there is a scroll indicator, and also there is a scroll tab icon showing up. And finally here we have social media animated buttons. So let me now see the code for each one of them. So the first one we have here the fixed navbar with the icon which you call a function. Once you click this icon called my function, and then we have the scroll indicator. It's an empty division and its color will be changed when we scroll down. Then we have the social media icons. So here is font awesome for Facebook, here Twitter, Google, and finally YouTube. And finally here we have the scroll tab button, which you call a function called tab function. Let me see JavaScript code. So the first function we have is for the tab navbar. This function will be called once we click the bar icon, this icon, which will appear when the screen is small. So here we access to the navbar, and then check if it has a class called tabNav. In this case I want to add another class called responsive, but else okay, just leave it like before, tabNav. And here we have a style for the class responsive. So when the screen is small, in this case I want to style a class called tabNav responsive. Give the icon a position absolute and make it in the right tab. And then for the link I want to remove the float, display block, and finally text align left. So this class will just appear when we resize the page. Let me check this. So when we resize the page, here we can see the button. Let me make inspect element. So here the tabNav just has a class tabNav, but when we click it will be tabNav responsive. So it will take the style for the responsive class. Let me continue. Now when we scroll down I want to call two functions, one called indicator and another one called scroll function. So this is the function responsible for the indicator, and this function will show up the scroll tab button. So here we check if the scroll tab is 20. So here we check if the scroll from tab is 20, else if the scroll from tab is less than 20. In this case, hide the button again. And here function to take the user to the tab once we click this button. So this function will be called within the button. Here, tab function. So we have four functions. The first one, once we click the icon within the tabNav, I want to show up the links inside the tabNav. And then we call two functions within scrolling down. We have function indicator and another one scroll function. And finally a function will be called within the scroll tab button to take the user to the top of the page. So that's it. That's everything. When we scroll down, you can see the indicator and scroll tab button. And here we have the animated icons. So those are some stuff you can add to your web page in order to make it looks great. So if you have any problem, don't hesitate to ask me. Good luck and see you in other new projects.